This is question 64 of Civil Engineering General Aptitude section of GATE 2017 afternoon session. Buddhan covers a distance of 19 km in 2 hours by cycling 1/4 of the time and walking the rest. The next day he cycles at the same speed as before for half the time and walks the rest at the same speed as before and covers 26 km in 2 hours. The speed in km per hour at which Buddhan walks is. So here in this question it is saying that Buddhan covers a distance of 19 km in 2 hours. So for first day, on first day he covers 19 km in 2 hours by cycling 1/4 of the time. 1/4 of the time of 2 hours means 2 by 4, that is 0.5 hours. So suppose this is 0.5 hours which is covered by cycling. So this is cycling for 0.5 hours. 0.5 hours that comes from 2 by 4, 0.5 hours. And the rest 2 minus 0.5, that is 1.5. So the rest covers by walking. So by walk 2 minus 0.5, that is 1.5 hours. Now on the next day, that is on suppose second day or next day, he covers 26 km in 2 hours. 26 km in 2 hours, and he cycles for half the time. Half the time is 2 by half, 2 by 2, and half of 2 is 1 hour. So cycles for 1 hours and rest. So rest means 2 minus 1, that is 1 hours by walks. By walk 1 hour. Now we need to find the speed at which Buddhan walks. So suppose the speed of cycling is u and the speed of walking of this Buddhan is v. Okay, and since the speed is same as before for both the day, so for cycling the speed is u and for walking the speed is v. So since we know distance is equal to speed into time. Now just rewrite this statement in an equation. So we can write the distance cover from cycling, speed into time. So speed is u and time is 0.5. So 0.5 into u plus this is the speed is v and time is 1.5. So 1.5 into v. So total distance is 19 kilometers. So this is 19. This is a statement. This is equation 1. And for this u into 1, so we can write u into 1, that is u, plus this distance v into 1, that is v, is equal to total distance, that is 26 kilometer. So this is equation 2. Now just solving equation 1 and 2, we can write this. If we multiply this equation with 0.5, so we can write 0.5 u plus 0.5 v is equal to 26 into 0.5, that is 13. So this is, suppose this is equation third. So if we 1 minus equation 1 minus equation 3, so this 0.5 u will be cancelled out. 1.5 v minus 0.5 v, so it will be 1 v is equal to 19 minus 13, that is 16. 19 minus 13, that is 6. So we can write this v equal to 6 km per hour, and v is designated for the speed for walking. So walking speed. So the speed in kilometer at which Buddhan walks is V, which is equal to 6 km per hour, which is given in option D. So, option D is the correct option for this question. Thank you.